screen right now. Are you guys happy? I'm sad because I wish that you guys are here. I'm sure our class would be much more fun if you guys are here. But I prepared you a class for today, which I am recording right now. I hope that you guys will participate even if you are at home. Okay? Now we're gonna have our new book, and yeah, the title of our new book is Right 2. I know you guys have it right now, okay? So please get your books, get your pencils and your eraser, and let's get started. Okay, so what is the topic for Unit 1? Repeat after me, guys. Pizza is delicious. Again, pizza is delicious. Do you agree that pizza is delicious? I agree also. Okay, now what is your writing task in this unit? You have to write about your favorite food, okay? Your favorite food, which I'm sure you guys will enjoy. All right, now before we go to the writing part, first let's talk about the words here in the warm-up, all right? You can see here a lot of pictures and they are all food. Do you guys feel hungry right now? Okay, all right, now let's talk about this food, but before that, I would like to talk about the names of the countries here, and you can see, for example, Chinese, right? So it's written here Chinese, but the flag is China. Yeah, it's China. So why do we say Chinese? And why do we say Korean instead of Korea? Or why do we say American instead of America? Right. So the country, so in here you can see the flags which represents their country, but we are using the adjective form for this nation to represent their food or their language or their culture. So we use, instead of China, we say Chinese. We don't say China food, or we don't say America food, all right? Okay, now, repeat after me, guys. Let's talk about the countries first, all right, or the nations. Repeat after me, Chinese. What is their food? Sweet and sour pork. Again, sweet and sour pork. Next, Korean, bulgogi. Again, Korean, bulgogi. Next is American. What is the food here? Hamburger. Say it again, guys. Hamburger. Okay, next is Indian. All right, what food is famous in India? It's curry. That's right. Say it again. Curry. Very good. Next is Mexican. What food is famous? In Mexico, it's taco. Again, taco. Very good. Next is the French food. What country is French? It's France, right? Okay, what is this food? Croissant. Very good. And next is today's topic. It's pizza. It's from what country? It's from Italy, so we say Italian. And next is Japanese food, which is sushi. That is right. Which is your favorite food here, guys? Let's look at all the pictures here. Which one do you like? Sweet and sour pork, bulgogi, curry, sushi? Okay, now, if you have your pencils right now, write your answers here in number 1. What is your favorite food? So you can write, my favorite food is pizza, or my favorite food is hamburger, okay? Next, how often do you eat it? How often do you eat that food? So if you answered hamburger, how often do you eat hamburger? So you can say, I eat hamburger once a week, or once a month, or I eat bulgogi every day. Okay, so write your answers there, how often. You can also use the expressions usually or sometimes, once a week, twice a week, once a month, once a year, if you want that, okay? Write your answers now, guys. Okay, now let's go to the reading part. I'm gonna read it slowly. Please repeat after me. Okay, let's start. My favorite food. This is Tina's story. Out of all the foods, pizza is definitely my favorite. It is an Italian dish. It is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings. You can eat pizza with cheese powder or hot sauce. I eat pizza at least once a month. I usually have it delivered at home. Sometimes I eat it at a pizzeria with my friends. My favorite type of pizza is cheese crust pizza. When I'm hungry, I can eat up to 4 slices. I always love to eat pizza. All right. I hope you guys read it with me. Okay, let's talk about this story now. So according to Tina, she said out of all the foods, pizza is definitely my favorite. What is the meaning of this expression out of? Why do we say out of? Okay, because there are many kinds of food and maybe you have many favorites, but there is one that is your number one, okay? Your most favorite. So we say out of. It means among this group, this is your favorite, okay? Pizza is definitely my favorite, guys. What's the meaning of the word definitely? Or what is the other word for definitely? Absolutely, exactly, certainly, okay? It is an Italian dish, okay? It means it's an Italian food, it's an Italian recipe. All right, it is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings. What's a dough? Right, okay. So a dough is the combination of, or the mixture of flour and liquid, and it becomes like a soft and malleable. You know what is a dough, right? Okay. And she said you can eat it with cheese powder or hot sauce. All right. You guys are familiar with cheese powder and hot sauce. When you eat pizza here in Korea, they always send you over this small packets of hot sauce and cheese powder, right? Okay. And then Tina said, I eat pizza at least once a month. What is the meaning of this expression, at least? At least once a month, at least once a week. Okay, it means at the minimum amount, okay, minimum. Can I write it here? Minimum. At minimum, okay? So it means once a month is the minimum, all right? And she said, I usually have it delivered at home. Sometimes I eat it at a pizzeria. What is a pizzeria? You got it right. Okay, of course, from the word itself, it's the pizza house, or it's the pizza restaurant, or the pizza store, okay? And my favorite type of pizza is cheese crust pizza. There are various kinds of pizza. What is your favorite, guys? So in Korea, you have bulgogi pizza, seafood pizza. What else do you have? Salami or ham and cheese, etc., right? Okay, what is your favorite? Next, when I am hungry, I can eat up to. Okay, why do we use this expression up to? Up to 4 slices. In here, if we say at least, which means minimum, this expression up to refers to the maximum amount, okay? It means her maximum when she is hungry is 4 slices of pizza. Wow. Okay. All right. And she said, I always love to eat pizza. Do you guys love to eat pizza? Always? Okay. All right. Now let's answer the questions. There are questions right at the bottom of the article, right? What is the first question? Let's read it together. What is pizza made with? Okay. What is pizza made with? Pizza is made with, what's your answer? Pizza dough, cheese powder, and different toppings. You guys know what is a topping, right? This word. Everything that is right on top of your pizza is the pizza topping. Okay? All right, next, question number 2. Let's read together. How often does Tina eat pizza? How often? Where is the answer? So she said, at least once a month. So you can just fill in the blanks. She eats pizza at least once a month. Okay? Right, did you guys write your answers already? Okay, now after that article, we always have this part for practicing writing sentences, okay? So the first part is this. What is the instruction, guys? Let's read together. Look at the pictures complete the sentences using the words in the box. All right, so these are the words in the box, and you look at the pictures and complete the sentences. But there's a thing you have to remember, okay? Here, you see this article "and" is in bold letters, okay? And also, this word "dish" is also in bold letters, which means when you write your answers here, you have to write the article "a" or "an" and also the word "dish," okay? So for example, number 1, pizza is an Italian dish. I is a vowel, that's right, so we use "an," okay? How about in number 2, what is this? It's right over here, so we write here, curry is an Indian dish. Okay, curry is an Indian dish. That is right. Same here for number 3. What? What is this? A hamburger is, because American is also starting with a vowel, is an American dish. That's right. What about here for number 4? So, bulgogi. Bulgogi is K, all right, it's Korean, right? So you have to write here, is it A or N? What article? It's A. Bulgogi is a Korean dish. Okay, now listen guys, when you answer this part, be careful which article to use. Is it A or N, okay? All right, now get your pencils and write your answers right now. Okay, are you guys done with that? All right, now let's go to the writing basics 2. What is the instruction? What are the foods? What are these foods made with? Choose the correct ingredients for each food and complete the sentences. Do you guys remember the meaning of the word ingredients? We've heard this too many times, right? All right, so ingredients are the foods that you use in making a recipe or any kind of dish, right? So here we have some examples. Let's read together, guys. Pork, sweet and sour sauce, onions. Next, bread, beef, lettuce and tomato. Next, pizza dough, cheese and different toppings. Next, noodles, tomato sauce and garlic. You know what food is that, right? Next is beef, soy sauce and sesame oil. For what recipe is that? Okay, so for the first one, pizza is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings. Now listen guys, when you answer this, from number 2, a hamburger, blank, blank, blank. So don't forget to write this part is made with. A hamburger is made with what? Noodles, tomato sauce, no, right? Okay, so it's made with bread, beef, lettuce, and tomato. So write your answers here. A hamburger is made with blah, blah, blah. And same here, tomato spaghetti is made with, okay. Write your answers now. Okay, I'm giving you guys 2 minutes to finish answering this. There are 5 questions. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Here is the instruction. What do you eat with these foods? Complete the sentences using the words in the box. All right, what do you eat with? All right, what do you eat with these foods? It means these foods that are here, what do you eat it along with? Okay, so number 1, you can eat pizza with cheese powder or hot sauce, okay? Now you have to write this expression here. You can eat and then with. All right, number 1, French fries. What do you eat French fries with, guys? With ice cream. When I was in high school, one of my friends used to eat French fries with ice cream. I'm serious. Okay, number 2. Okay, let's write your answers here. You can eat French fries. Of course, what is the answer? You can eat French fries with ketchup. Okay. Next is croissant. Yay, my favorite. What do you eat croissant with? Okay. Right here, your answers. You can eat croissants with butter or jam. Right here, with butter or jam. Okay. Write your answers now, guys. I'm watching you. Okay, I know if you guys are writing or not. Okay, so if you're done with that, let's go to writing practice 1. What is the instruction? Let's read together, guys. Instruction. How often do you eat these foods? Write the sentences like the example. How often do you eat these foods? And write the sentences like this example. So here are examples of expressions that you can use to answer the question, how often? Right, repeat after me. At least once a week. Again, at least once a week. Next, at least once a month. Again, at least once a month. All right, next is at least twice a week. Again, at least twice a week. And next is at least twice a month. Again, at least twice a month. Very good. Now, once means one time. One time in a week or one time per week. Now, what about twice a week? What is twice a week? Right, 2 times, okay? 2 times a week or 2 times in a month, like here. Okay, so let's answer. I eat pizza. Here's the example. I eat pizza at least once a week. All right, hamburgers. Now, guys, you can answer here randomly. There are no correct answers. There are no specific answers here. It's up to you. If you want to write once a week or once a month, it's okay. There are no right or wrong answers here, okay? Write your answers now. Okay, guys, finished? All right, if you're done with that, let's go to the next part. So many exercises, right? Because you have to practice your writing skills, that's why. Okay, let's read the instructions. Where do you eat these foods? Where do you eat these foods? Write the sentences like the example. What is the example? I eat, so you have, this is highlighted. I eat Chinese food at like this, okay? I eat, okay, right over here. I eat and then at okay? So you have to add these phrases, I eat and then at okay? Number 1, or the example, I eat Chinese food at a Chinese restaurant. Number 1, pizza and pizzeria. So how do you answer this? I eat pizza at I want to highlight this. I eat and then at I eat pizza at a pizzeria. Okay. Write your answers, guys. Number 2. I have pizza delivered at home. So this is another instruction. This time you have to use I have and then delivered at. Okay? So the same thing, just add these 2 phrases to the example. Chinese food and then home. So how do we answer that? I have Chinese food delivered at home. That's right. Okay, are you guys done with that? Now let's go to the writing practice 2. Okay, what is this now? What is your favorite circle one type of each food and write the sentences. Again, I'll read the instruction. What is your favorite? Write one type of each food and write the sentences. Okay, for example, my favorite type of pizza, there are examples here. There is the cheese crust pizza, the super supreme pizza, and the pepperoni pizza. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys also have your own favorites. So in here, you choose whatever you want and then write the sentence here. Write the complete sentence. So for example, using my favorite type of and then is. Okay, for example, spaghetti. There are many kinds of spaghetti. So what is the examples here? Oh, we have tomato spaghetti. We have spaghetti with cream sauce. We have seafood spaghetti. Which one is your favorite? So if you like seafood spaghetti, then you write here, my favorite type of spaghetti is seafood spaghetti. Okay? Write your answers now. Same here. Burger. There are many kinds of burger, guys. Cheeseburger, chicken burger, and fish burger. How about for salad? If you guys are a fan of salad, we have vegetable salad. We also have fruit salad, and we also have chicken salad, my favorites. And for meat, oh, your favorites, right? Okay, what kind of meat do you guys like? Is it beef? Is it pork? Is it chicken? Is it duck? Write your answers here. My favorite type of is, okay? Complete your answers. Okay, I guess you're done with that. Now this is the last part for the exercises of Unit 1, but not really the last, okay? The instruction says, correct the mistakes and rewrite the sentences. Listen carefully, guys. Listen carefully. Correct the mistakes and rewrite the sentences. It means this sentence is wrong, grammatically wrong, okay? Now, what is wrong with the sentence? Find it, and you can put a slash on it and circle it, and then rewrite. It means write it again here in the blank. For example, out on all the foods, pizza is definitely my favorite. Out on all the foods. Is that what we learned? Out on. Definitely not. So this is wrong. So you have to write here out of, wait, I think I'm going to use a red chalk. Out of all the foods. Okay. Pizza is definitely my favorite, okay? Right here, the correct sentence. How about number 2? Let's do this again together. I usually have it delivered at home. I usually have it delivered at home. It sounds unnatural, right? What is wrong with this sentence? I usually have it delivered, okay? This word has to be like this, delivered. Now listen, guys. The instruction says, write the sentence, okay? Rewrite the sentence. Some students just write the words. Don't do that. Write the complete sentence all the time, okay? All right, do it now. How about number 3? Can I help you guys more with this? I can eat up 4 slices. I can eat up to 4 slices. I always love eat pizza. I always love eat pizza. What's wrong here? I always love to. You have to add to. Okay, the preposition to. Finish, guys? Okay. Now this part is the most difficult part, okay? Because now you have to write your own essay. You have to write your own article using this guide, all right? Listen carefully, guys, so you know what to do. All right, so this is the organizing part. What is the instruction? Look at the example and organize your writing. So My favorite food is, this is blank here, right? It's a blank in here, so write your favorite food. My favorite food is pasta. Okay, so type of dish, it's the same. Look here, guys. So there are examples of answers here, and this is just all in blanks. So you can write your answers here. Type of dish here, type of dish. So pizza is Italian. So you can write here, Italian. Now I wrote here pasta. Pasta is what kind of dish? It is also Italian. So I'll write here, Italian. Okay? And then the question, how often? How often do I eat pasta? Once a week? Okay, so I'll write here, once a week. And then ingredients. What do we need when we make pasta? Of course, we need the noodles. I'm not going to write here, guys, because this is your task. I'm just giving examples, okay? So for the ingredients, noodles and tomato sauce, and I like it with lots of cheese or meat or seafoods. I like it with shrimp. You write here the ingredients for your recipe. So for kids like you, if you want, what, tteokbokki? Okay, what is the recipe for that? What are the ingredients for that? Write your answers here. And then eat with. Who do you eat that with? With your friends, with your family, with your classmates, or alone? Write your answers here. And then where? Where do you eat your favorite food? At home, at a restaurant, wherever it is. Okay, next. Favorite type. Are there various kinds of tteokbokki? For example, oh yeah, there is cheese tteokbokki, the super spicy and the less spicy tteokbokki. So you can write here cheese tteokbokki or whatever recipe it is that you want to write, okay? And then maximum amount, like how much can you eat of that when you're hungry? Write your answers here. So examples, for if it's pizza, up to 4 slices. Okay, so you can write here up to 2 bowls or 3 bowls. Write your answers, okay? All right, and once you finish doing the organizing part, transfer everything here in the drafting, okay? Complete your story, use your notes from page 12. You can see here, guys, you still have the outline, you still have the instructions here. The title, so this time it is empty. What is the title? My favorite food, my favorite food. Introduction, what is the introduction? Out of all the foods, my favorite food is, or out of all the foods, pizza is definitely my favorite, like that. What is the body? So right here in the body, the type of dish, the ingredients, and who do you eat it with? So it is, what kind of dish? It is a Korean dish. It is made with, you can eat it like this, okay? Complete this. If you find it a little difficult to complete this part, you can always go back. You can always go back to this page and then look for the guides, okay? So you know exactly what to do, all right? Because I can't help you right now in doing this writing part, but then when we meet again, of course, I will guide you on the writing part, okay? All right, now after you finish that, your homework, okay, is your workbook, okay? But I will be checking that also when we see again, hopefully next week, okay? Now, thank you guys for listening to my class today. Please stay safely at home, and I hope you enjoyed this class. I'll see you again next time. Bye.